For decades, rumors have swirled about secret facilities and recovered alien spacecraft. Whispers of hidden hangars and clandestine operations have fueled imaginations and conspiracy theories alike. But what if those rumors were true? Could advanced technology we use today have extraterrestrial origins? Imagine the possibilities. Propulsion systems that defy gravity, materials stronger than anything on Earth, and communication devices that operate beyond our current understanding. These are not just the stuff of science fiction. Some believe that breakthroughs in stealth technology, fiber optics, and even the internet itself may have roots in alien technology. As we delve deeper into these mysteries, one must wonder, how much do we really know about our own technological advancements? The idea of reverse engineering alien technology gained traction after the infamous Roswell crash of 1947. Allegedly, debris from the site was taken to secret labs for study. According to whistleblowers and leaked documents, teams of top scientists were tasked with unlocking the secrets of alien propulsion systems, materials, and energy sources. Some believe these efforts led to revolutionary advances, stealth technology, fiber optics, and even microprocessors. But is this the stuff of conspiracy theories? Or hidden history? Facilities like Area 51 are often at the center of these claims. This highly secretive military base located in the Nevada desert has been the subject of numerous conspiracy theories and speculations for decades. Many believe that it is the site where the US government conducts experiments on extraterrestrial technology and even harbors alien beings. The mystery surrounding Area 51 has only fueled public curiosity and suspicion. The US government denies any alien activity, consistently stating that the base is used for testing advanced aircraft and weapon systems. Despite these denials, the secrecy and restricted access to the area have led many to question what is really happening behind those guarded gates. But eyewitness accounts tell a different story of crafts capable of defying gravity and physics. People from various backgrounds have reported seeing unidentified flying objects performing maneuvers that seem impossible by current human technology. These sightings have been documented and debated, adding to the enigma of what truly lies within Area 51. Could these experiments explain the rapid pace of technological development in the 20th century? And if so, what else might remain hidden? As we gaze into the vast expanse of the night sky, we are reminded of the endless mysteries that lie beyond our reach. The stars, twinkling like distant beacons, invite us to explore the unknown. With each discovery, we peel back the layers of secrecy that shroud the universe. Join us on this incredible journey of scientific exploration and wonder. Subscribe to emgotv1 for more captivating stories that challenge our understanding of the cosmos and push the boundaries of what we think we know. Together, let's unlock the secrets of the stars and uncover the hidden truths of our universe.